I swear I didn't think this team had any more hits. I'm actually in confusion again. I am dazed and confused. I thought for sure it was over. This is sick! The Beast, Leonard Fournette. 8x10 auto for Tampa Bay. The Lawnmower Man. I call him the Lawnmower Man. I know Tarzan has him. The Lawnmower Man. And there's a redemption in here. Next up for the Chargers. I thought they were out of hits. What's going on? Kellen Winslow for the Chargers. Justin Herbert. 2 Justin Herberts. Keenan Allen. Over and over. It just doesn't stop. Tampa Bay, multiple hits. First teams I'd be going for is the one that hit the most. That's what I'd be doing. I keep trying to say it, but what do I know? I wasn't joking when I said, the dude straight up said, oh, really? They don't buy the teams that hit a lot, huh? I am going to straight up shove it in their face. That's all right. All right, here we go. Let's see what this redemption is. I thought this team was out of hits. They got to be out of hits now, right? 30 hits later. We got a full-size helmet autograph. Jerry Rice for the 49ers. They've been sitting in the store over and over and over again. Well, let me go grab it. Come on, Cam. Camera, come on now. Don't do this to me. There we go. All right, there we go. Beckett certified. All right, let's see who the winners are. Yeah, these teams must be done hitting now for sure. Oh, first thing I would do, just keep buying the teams that are hitting. Oh my. I said that the 9th hit for the 49ers, the 10th hit, the 11th hit. These dudes ain't messing around that made this stuff, man. I told him, I says, they're going to stop buying the teams that hit a lot. He's like, oh, really? Okay. We'll see about that. I'll make them pay for that. It's like, this is awesome. Okay, let's look it up. Let's check it out. Nico Facalio, let me say yo. 49ers. San Fran. Cisco Treats. That is Zack Attack. ZA had him in 41 and 42. Congrats, ZA, on the Jerry Rice. That is nasty. Zach. A-T-T-A-C-K. All right. Chargers. Let's see who's got the Chargers. Chargers is Johnny Tack. Good call, J-Tack. All right, guys, thank you so much. Sorry for those who did not get their hits on this one. Keep in mind, too, guys, on a serious note, I know I get sarcastic and messed around, but on a serious note, this is 40, what is this, 41? So you figure, I mean, we've done, there's still 259 boxes in this series, guys. We still have 259 boxes left in this series. So, in other words, it's wide open, you know. Plus, you know their mentality. You know, basically what it is, you have